PCOS has a new name. PCOS will now be known as PMOS, Polyendocrine Metabolic Ovarian Syndrome, and this change has been a long time coming. For more than 15 years, research has shown that the term Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, or PCOS, was inaccurate. It was confusing and in many cases harmful. Women living with the condition were the strongest voices calling for change. Their experiences, advocacy, and persistence made this shift possible. And health professionals around the world agreed that updating the name would bring far more benefits than risks. So why change the name? First, the old name wasn't accurate. There is no increase in abnormal cysts on the ovary in this condition. What people often see on the ultrasound scans are actually partly developed eggs. They can look like cysts, but they're not. And PCOS affects far more than the ovary. It influences hormones, metabolism, mental health, skin, and the reproductive system. But the old name focused only on one organ, the ovary, leaving out many of the symptoms women deal with every day. This misunderstanding led to missed or delayed diagnoses and long waits for the care women needed. So how was the new name PMOS chosen? It came from the largest global engagement process ever undertaken for a name change. More than 22,000 people took part in surveys and workshops, including women with lived experience and health professionals. The new name was also carefully considered across cultures. In some communities, focusing on reproductive features can create stigma or shame, especially where fertility is tied to a woman's value. That's why the new name avoids the word reproductive. What does this mean? PMOS and a global awareness program will help people better understand the broad nature of the condition. It will support earlier diagnosis, improve care, and lead to better health outcomes for millions of women. A major international education and awareness campaign will support this shift, reaching women and health professionals worldwide. There will be a 3-year transition period to move from PCOS to PMOS. The minor change in letters helps show it's an update. PMOS will also be included in the 2028 International Guideline Update. This global process was led by world-class networks, including Monash University, the UK patient group Verity, the International Androgen Excess and Polycystic Ovary Syndrome Society, and Australia's National Health and Medical Research Council. Every step was shaped by women and health professionals. The new name PMOS marks a new chapter, one that reflects the science, acknowledges women's experiences, and supports better care for the future. The Ask PCOS app is transitioning to the Ask PMOS app and provides comprehensive, high-quality information and support tools that are based on the latest evidence. It's free to download in the App Store or go to www.askpmos.org.